Hi, I'm Rajesh Joshi. I live in Delhi only, and dealing in with a multinational company which is dealing in with the alternative medicine therapy, instruments and everything. So searching for the clients, I somehow been in touch with Dr. Pradeep Sharma, and business relation में जिस product के give and take में I see in Dr. Pradeep Sharma what he is doing, Sujok therapy, a Korean therapy. So I thought let's try it out. So मुझे जो उस समय problems थी वो mainly memory and sinus, इससे मुझे mucus नहीं आता था. So generalized level, at the generalized level only, I thought let's try it out, and I gone for a treatment, and the second and the third, and in the fourth treatment, I started having the results. Though I was limited till 4 treatment only, but I seen the results after the 4th treatment. I seen the result till 10th or till 10 or 15 days. I keep on having my mucus come out, and I was feeling totally relaxed, and I got to know, this is the treatment, which has helped me a lot, until now. As far as that mucus problem and forgetting the things, small things, that has never come since last few years, जब से मैंने ये treatment करवाया है. And it was very simple even, I never gone through surgery and the medicines and whatever blah blah like जो इस चीज़ में use किए जाते हैं. And it was very simple. It's a session of 10-15 minutes, and for the 4 days, then I got the relief. So it's a wonderful therapy, and after getting in touch with this kind of therapy, I've never been in any kind of treatment which could give results in the different various problems. So I recommend you all that and I heard after being in touch with Dr. Pradeep Sharma, I have seen the treatment for various diseases are available with this therapy, and I have seen whosoever got in touch with me said that I have gone through the Sujok treatment. Everybody was happy, including myself. So I strongly recommend whosoever it is, whether a child or the old age person, the Sujok therapy. I really recommend this for all. Thank you.